Hello everybody, it's time for Mr. Nick's Circle Time. Are we ready? Great. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? I'm fine, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you today? How are you today, Alice? How are you today, Joseph? How are you today, Juliet? How are you today, Simon? How are you today, Annabelle? How are you today, Rory? How are you today, Alicia? How are you today, Ramus? How are you today, William? Great, let's read our book.
Today we're going to read How a Seed Grows by Helene J. Jordan, illustrated by Loretta Kropinski. A seed is a little plant. It is a plant that has not started to grow. Apple trees and daisies, carrots and corn, clover and wheat all grow from seeds. Here is a tree seed. Someday it will be a tree like this. Here is a flower seed. Someday it will be a flower like this. Some seeds grow slowly. These are the seeds of an oak tree. An oak tree grows very, very slowly. Suppose you planted an oak tree seed. You would be a father or mother or even a grandfather or a grandmother, and the oak tree would still be growing. Some seeds grow fast. This is a bean seed. It grows very fast. It grows so fast that it becomes a bean plant in just a few weeks. You can plant bean seeds yourself. We use pole beans. You can use pole beans, bush beans, or lima beans. You can plant the seeds in eggshells, or tin cans, or mold cups, or little flower pots. Be sure that your containers have holes in the bottom. We used eggshells. We used a pencil to make holes in the eggshells. We filled 12 eggshells with soil like this, which is dirt. We made a hole in the soil with a finger, like this. When you have made a hole in the soil, plant a seed in it. Plant one seed in each hole. Cover the seed with soil. Sprinkle the soil carefully with a little water. Number the shells. Write the number 1 on the first shell. Put the number 2 on the next shell. Keep going until all of the shells are numbered from 1 to 12. Put all the eggshells in an egg carton. Put the carton in the sunlight on a windowsill. Some bean seeds grow faster than others. Our seeds began to grow in 3 days. Your bean seeds may take a little longer. You won't be able to see your seeds growing yet. They start to grow under the soil where you can't see them. Water your seeds a little every day. The water soaks into the seeds. The seeds begin to grow. More water soaks into the seeds. The seeds get fatter and fatter. Wait for 3 days and then dig up seed number 1. It may be soft, it may be fat. Maybe it will look the same as it did before. Soon the seed will grow so fat that its skin will pop off. In 2 more days, dig up seed number 2. Maybe it will look different now. Maybe the skin of this seed will become loose. Now a root starts to grow. The root grows from one side of the bean seed. The root pushes down into the soil, down and down. Dig up seed number 3. Can you see the root? Does it look like this? If you do not see your root, wait for another day. Then dig up seed number 4. After a few more days, dig up seed number 5. Something else is happening. Little roots will be growing from the big root. They look like tiny white hairs. They are called root hairs. Day after day, the roots and root hairs push down into the soil. Day after day, the bean seeds are pushed up. The soil is pushed aside. Watch your seeds. Soon you will see pale shoots push through the soil. A shoot is the beginning of a green plant. A shoot grows toward the sun. Watch your seeds. Some may have come through the ground. Some may have broken open. Maybe some of your seeds have not started to grow. How many are growing? Count them. The bean seeds grow fast. The shoots turn green. The leaves come next. Now your bean seeds are bean plants. They look like this. How many of your bean seeds are bean plants? A seed needs many things to grow. It needs soil, which is dirt, and water, using the watering can, and sun. If a seed has all these things, it will grow into a plant. It will grow into the same kind of plant that it came from. An apple tree, or a daisy, carrot, or corn. It will grow into clover, or it will grow into a bean plant like the one that you planted. Okay, we're going to sing a song. We're going to sing Green Grass Grows All Around. And the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around. There was a hole, and in that hole, there was a tree, the prettiest tree that you ever did see, And the tree and the hole in the ground, and the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around. And on that tree, there was a branch, the prettiest branch that you ever did see, The branch and the tree and the hole in the ground, and the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around. And on that branch, there was a nest, the prettiest nest that you ever did see, And the nest on the branch, and the tree, and the hole in the ground, and the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around. And on that nest, there was an egg, the prettiest egg that you ever did see, And the egg and the nest and the branch and the tree and the hole in the ground, and the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around. And on that egg, there was a bird, the prettiest bird that you ever did see, And the bird on the egg, and the egg on the nest, and on the branch, and the tree, and the hole in the ground, and the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around. And on that bird, there was a feather, the prettiest feather that you ever did see, And the feather on the bird, and the bird on the egg, and the egg on the nest on the branch, and the branch on the tree, and the hole in the ground, and the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around.
Time for me to go. Let's sing a goodbye song. Goodbye, Alice. Goodbye, Joseph. Goodbye, Juliet. It's time for me to go. Goodbye, Simon. Goodbye, Annabelle. Goodbye, Rory. It's time for me to go. Goodbye, Alicia. Goodbye, Ramus. Goodbye, William. It's time for me to go. Goodbye, guys. See you again soon.